Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to fix images show gray background before image load in Elementor WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are using Elementor plugin and then you see images. Now refresh the page and then you see gray background before image load in our website. So we are going to fix it. So there are multiple ways to fix this issue. So first you can update all your plugin and update your theme. Now go to plugin section. So we are in install plugin. So you can deactivate all plugin and then activate plugin one by one to check which plugin caused this error. So first you can deactivate all plugin and then active plugin 1 and then go to page and refresh the page. If your issue is fixed, then it's mean this issue caused by your plugin. So you can activate plugin one by one to check which plugin caused this error. Mostly this issue occur because of cache plugin and we are using cache plugin in our WordPress website. So we are in install plugin and then scroll down. Now you see we are using Lightspeed cache plugin. So first we are going to deactivate and then check. So click on deactivate. Now plugin is deactivated. Now you see and go to website page and refresh the page. And then you see our issue is fixed. It's mean this issue caused by Lightspeed cache plugin. So if you want, you can use another cache plugin and then check. Or if you want to use same plugin, now go to plugin section again and then click on activate. So we are going to make changes in plugin settings. So click on activate. Now plugin is activated. On left side you see Lightspeed cache and then you see page optimization. So click on it and then scroll down. You see multiple options. You see CSS setting, JS setting, media setting. Now click on media setting. So click on it and then you see lazy load images. So you can disable it. If you want to enable this option, then you can follow this step. So it's up to you. Now you see by default a gray image placeholder will be used, but we disable this option and then click on save changes. And after that on left side you see Elementor and then you see tools. So click on it and then scroll down. Now you see regenerate CSS and data. So click on it. Also you see sync library. So click on it and then click on save changes. Now settings saved. Go to website page and refresh the page. Now you see our issue is fixed. We disable lazy load images in plugin for Elementor WordPress. So if you want to enable lazy load images, so you can add placeholder image in setting. Below you see instruction. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.